Okay, this time we're going to get the product of two binomials, which are the sum and difference of two terms. So as you can see, given this product x plus 2 times x minus 2, we have two terms. The first term is x and the second term is 2. So here, we're just going to get the product of the first terms and get the product of the second terms. So the product of the first terms is x squared, and the product of the second terms is negative 4. So the product is x squared minus 4. Okay, so here's another given. We have the quantity 2x plus 3y times 2x minus 3y. So just get the product of the first terms. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Then get the product of the second terms. We have 3y times negative 3y is negative 9y squared. So therefore, our product is 4x squared minus 9y squared. How about this one? The quantity x plus the square root of 2 times the quantity x minus the square root of 2. So just multiply the first terms. X times x is x squared. Then the second terms, square root of 2 times the negative square root of 2 is equal to negative 2. Therefore, our product is x squared minus 2. Let's have another given. We have the quantity x plus 1/2 times the quantity x minus 1/2. So get the product of the first terms. X times x is x squared. Then the product of the second terms, 1/2 times negative 1/2 is negative 1/4. Then we have this given, quantity x plus y times the quantity x minus y. So what is the product? We have x squared minus y squared. So that is the product. Let's have another given. Quantity x plus 2 times the square root of 3 times the quantity x minus 2 times the square root of 3. So get the product of the first terms. We have x squared. And get the product of the second terms. We have negative 12. But how did that happen? So we have 2 times 2 is 4. Then square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3. Then 4 times 3 is 12. Therefore, our product is x squared minus 12.